Hi ma'am, hi sir. My name is Rina Velasco. You can call me Rina for short. I am 36 years old, married, blessed with two kids aged 13 and 4. My height is 158 centimeter and my weight is 54 kilogram. I am a vocational graduate. I took up associate in computer secretarial. I have working experience in the Philippines for 2 years. I can take care baby, kids, pets, cleaning, ironing, cooking Filipino foods, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I also work in Taiwan as a factory worker. Please hire me as your helper. Currently, I am here in the Philippines applying job for Hong Kong. I am honest, kind, and easy to follow instruction. Thank you. Have a nice day.